Now, from the last video, you should be able to understand that the best way to learn Terraform is from HashiCorp themselves, right? And that is why I brought you into their environment to explain what Terraform is in the previous what video. Today, I'm going to be talking about how you can standardize your deployment workflow. Now, looking at my screen, there's an architecture diagram here. And in this diagram, this is the practitioner. I am the practitioner. Okay. In your case, you would be the practitioner. And for me to be able to deploy resources into these are platforms. And the one we are working on today is AWS. For me to be able to deploy a resource into this platform, one of the things I need to do is I need to, first of all, configure my infrastructure as a code. And how do I go about this? Well, I need to identify the infrastructure for my project. I need to write the configuration of my infrastructure. I need to make sure that while writing this configuration, I specify what is required. And that is why Terraform is a declarative way of defining or describing exactly what you want Terraform to do for you. And then Terraform will not perform the task for you step by step once you use the Terraform what language and command. So once you have done all those things, you go ahead and plan and then you apply. And once you apply, it will now be deployed into the platform that you have configured. Right? You can configure it for Kubernetes, you can configure it for Google Cloud, you can configure it for Azure, and the list goes on and on. But once we deploy ours will be going into the AWS what environment.